here. Yeah. He was only 1 minute late.
Oh, brought some help.
Yay! She shed.
Watch out, get run over.
She's here. She's here. Yay!
It looks just right.
Looks
doesn't it?
awesome.
Yeah.
Need to take the G off of it and put DWD for Dreamweaver Designs. What an awesome, awesome birthday. I am so excited right now. Oh my God. Yay. She's here. Hey, you know what it's missing?
What?
The shutters. Unless they put that on site. Yeah.
Hey, how you doing?
It's missing the shutters.
Missing shutters.
Missing shutters. Supposed to have shutters on?
They laid it down in the road and now they're putting tires under it and they're gonna pull it up the driveway, which they could have just pulled the whole thing up the driveway and done it, but I guess this is the way they do it. So it was a little scary when it like went down onto the street, but they do this for a living, so I'm gonna put faith in them that we can get her up here without her falling apart. It's actually kind of cool how they do it. It's just gonna sit on wheels. Lift it up on that end, stick some wheels under it. Not sure how that all works and how they stay, but I don't do this for a living, so oh, okay. He's gonna do it from the back and they just put wheels on the front. That's interesting. And turn that into our driveway and come up the driveway. Wow. Or maybe come up the driveway backwards, I guess. Yeah. I guess that's how we rollin'. Ooh. Very, very interesting how they do this. Huh. Well, she's almost in place. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my God. This is my dream come true, to have my own studio outside of the house. Oh my God, I'm so happy. That thing's getting it. Pulling it right up the driveway. Right up the hill. Pretty amazing. Kitties are running. All right, she is in place and everything is level. It's all strapped down and it's naked on the inside, but we're gonna go ahead and take a tour. It's my front porch. Gonna have a little bistro table up here with some chairs. And this is the inside. I chose not to get the loft in the top. And all this is gonna be insulated. It's gonna have electric. It's gonna have air conditioning and heat. Drywall. Gonna have a nice floor. But I've got these two windows here and two windows in the back. And I chose on this long wall not to have any windows. That is basically where a lot of my setup is gonna go for my studio with all my supplies and stuff. So I need one wall that's completely empty. We may take these two boards down that are across the top. They had to do that for the transport. And all the windows are double paned. And I have another window there and another window there. And then I do have, and I'm not really tall enough to reach up there, but I do have a loft up here where I can store stuff, which is cool. And that's over the patio or the deck. So all this is going to be finished off. Uh-oh, I just heard screaming. I hope they didn't knock our fence down when they were leaving. All of this is going to be finished off. And that's it. That's the She Shed Studio tour. Go back out. My door locks. This is down the side. And the other side with no windows. And the back. Awesome birthday, yay!